Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Sorry, you caught me right in the middle of about 3 different things. So we're going to take a look at something a little different today. It's not a knife review, it's not anything else. It's going to take a look at some beard oil from the Badass Beard Care guys. So stay tuned, right after we roll that intro, I'll show you everything that came in this guy. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you really cool guys who haven't done it yet, you've been watching my videos for a little while, somewhere I think it's going to be down there, or maybe even over there. It's going to be a little channel watermark popping up, guys. Just hover over that thing, and it's going to pull up a subscribe button. So please, go ahead and do that. I'd be right appreciative. Now, some of you may remember, a little while ago, we brought you some beard oil from the Whiskey, Ink, and Lace guys. I'm going to leave a little card right up the top somewhere so you can take a look at that and know that this is not the first beard oil review we've brought to the channel. Alright, now with that being said, surfing through Amazon looking for different stuff, and I ran into this company called Badass Beard Care. And I, alright, let me take a look. So, I ordered it, and I ordered something totally offbeat for me. I think they call it the ladies' man, but, that being said, who cares? I thought it interesting. Instead of it arriving wrapped up in bubble wrap, it arrived in its own little, beard baggie. And what I thought was kind of cool, they even gave you instructions inside the package. And there you go. There's for their little subscription stuff. So if you guys want to roll that back and pause and do whatever, hey, feel free, man. All right. So, yeah, I went with one called Ladies' Man. All right. Not that I'm out there trying to do anything or anything stupid. It's the scent profile was something entirely different than I've ever used, and I wanted to try it out. There's the other side of the bottle. Hopefully you can see that. And, all the wonderful ingredient stuff, and I'll touch on some of those in just a moment. Okay. Now, the profile is like, they call it sweet citrus. And they say its strength is medium to light, but I'll be honest, right out of the bottle, when you smell it and you rub it in, you go, damn, that's citrusy. But it vanishes in almost under an hour. That scent profile's gone. So I went, okay, whatever. It's more of a lemon vanilla kind of scent. And I started taking a look on their website, all right, because I'd never heard of them before. I saw some of the YouTube videos out there, and I wanted to learn some more about the company. The founder of the company is a veteran. He was medically discharged from the U.S. Army, from what I understand. And he founded the company after he had this really horrible experience with specialty beard care product that he said literally burned his skin. And it was very overpriced, so he went, hey, I want something a lot better. Now, I love the fact that he uses all natural and 100% food-grade ingredients in everything. Okay, I can get that. And they also pride themselves on incredibly fast shipping. I'm cool with that. All right. I mean, some of the primary ingredients, from what I understand, are apricot oil, argan oil, jojoba, vitamin E, rosemary oil, eucalyptus oil, and tea tree oil. Now, with all that wonderful stuff being said, they add in all the other scents. Now, like I usually do when I get it, I open it up, make sure there's, none in the little dropper. And if any of you guys out there, badass, are watching, kudos to you, because it's got some of my favorite stuff in there. Seriously, some droppers that I've gotten, they're just absolutely worthless. I usually just, and you can smell the lemon right out of the top. Seriously, you truly can. Beard oil is real simple to apply, guys. You just take your little dropper, squeeze some in, drop it in your hand, rub your hands together, and just apply seriously into your beard. You got to remember, the oil is more for your skin under the beard than it is the beard itself. You just get that added bonuses of the scent profile gives you something that, carries on in the room. Now, with all that wonderful stuff being said, because seriously, what can you talk about beard oil other than it helps with like that beard dandruff crap you got going on and some of the itching that you get when you're growing one in? It helps correct that, all right? We took a look at costs. Now, over on Amazon, and on Badass Beard Care, they're the exact same, which I thought was strange, at $14.99. Normally there's a little price fluctuation, back and forth within $1 or $2. But to have it exactly the same, I'm cool with that. Because that means if I go to your website, I don't need to worry about going to Amazon and do whatever. Now, this is the part that got me, and this is what I really truly love about their online store. Their ratings, they broke it down. They have 362 5-star ratings, 9 4-star, 8 3 0. I mean, big old donut friggin' hole for 2, and 1 1-star. Over on Amazon, they rated a 4.6 out of 5 with 823 reviews. I kind of like that. That means lots of people out there, they're using their product, they're leaving stuff, and they're actually talking about it and giving good feedback. But you know what, guys? I want to know what you think. You know, this is just a short one, all right, because it's just on beard oil, because honestly, what can you say about put oil in, rub it on your face, and, you know, give a great review other than I've used this, the scent profile lasts me about an hour. My, you know, older daughter Amber loves the smell of it. She loves curling it up and just sniffing, and it's like, get off of me, you know? Kind of weird. But with all that wonderful stuff being said, I'd like to know if you've tried their product. You know, do you use beard oil? What are some of your high points, low points? What is some of the stuff that you do? You know? Maybe start a discussion going, because we're going to bring more oil and more beard care products to the channel because, well, it's that time of year and, you know, Movember is coming up, so why not share some info, right? Now, with all that great stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of this channel, man, thank you for picking Weird One. Okay, it's not usual for my channel to review beard oil. I've only done one. We're going to bring more, but I've only done one right now. Well, before this one. But I want to thank you for choosing it and thank you for watching. Now, for all you cool people who have yet to subscribe yet, you're going to see a channel logo popping up in one of those 2 corners. All right? There's your second chance. I would really appreciate your subscription, especially if you watched this far. Man, come join the insanity. Now, after you subscribe, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon. Speaking of insanity, it's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. My short look at badass beard care, the Ladies Man Beard Oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great one today.